Standard 8 English The Pilgrim by Alpa Active Learning. Hello and namaste everyone. Today's topic 1.3 The Pilgrim. This is an inspiring and touching poem with a strong message. A person who journeys to a sacred place for religious reason or belief is a pilgrim. Written by Anonymous means unknown person. You have seen many places like temple, Dirasar and pagoda. They belongs to Hindu, Jain and both religion places. We do have Kailas Mansarovar, Golden Temple, churches, synagogue and a Kaaba. All these are related to different religious places. So, people in one's lifetime always think to visit such places according to their religion, their belief and their faith on their deities. In this poem, a pilgrim going alone highway came at evening cold and grey to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So, as you can see, there is a pilgrim. He is going alone. Now, in the evening time, the time has changed, the sun sets and it becomes very cold. A chasm, C-H-A-S-M, children, is nothing but chasm. The meaning, as you can see in the picture, it's a ravine, a very deep, steep gap in the earth surface. So he found that this chasm is very deep, vast and wide, but old man can cross in the twilight dim. Twilight means the time between when the day ends and the night begins. So the chasm has no fear. He is a brave person. He has no fear. But he paused. He stopped when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So to go across the tide over here. So as you can see in this picture. Old man said a fellow pilgrim near, "Why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why would ye here at eventide?" So a fellow pilgrim means the one who is also with him. He said, "You are wasting your time in building this because you have completed your journey and you never again will pass this way as you have crossed the chasm deep and wide." Here why build ye, Y-E means you. The pilgrim raised his old grey head. "My friend, in the path I have come," he said, "there followeth after me today a fair-headed youth who must pass this way. The chasm which held no fears for me, to the fair-headed youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him." So what the pilgrim said? "You are right, I have come and I have crossed, but there are people who are going to come here after me, and they may be a young boy, a girl, a youth like you. If I don't have any fear, but there may be a possibilities that the young man may be trapped here. So I want they all should cross this in this twilight dim, and so I am building this bridge for those people who are going to come here, those young person who are not known to me, but I am building so that they will not have any difficulties. The meaning of pitfall here is, so children, religion means not just to pray God or offer the prayers and doing the rituals only. The real meaning of religion is humanity, compassion, selflessness and dutifulness. So we can say that in this poem, The Pilgrim, the theme of the poem is that everyone should help others with selflessness. The old pilgrim who worked for the other people has humanity, has compassion, and he has performed this duty. Thank you very much for viewing this. Please press the bell icon, like, comment and share on Alpa Active Learning. Thank you so much.